Thanks for joining me today. My name's Mike, and I've been making Get Fit Over 40 videos for a while now. Started in my mid-40s, and now I'm in my mid-50s. First off, I'm not here to play doctor, and this isn't medical advice. What I'm giving you is perspective so you feel prepared when you sit down with your healthcare provider. So let's get right into it. Now, peptides, they're everywhere right now. You've probably seen ads, influencers talking about them, maybe even guys at the gym saying they're the next big thing. But are they really all that? How do they compare to steroids and SARMs? And what are the pros and cons you need to know before even thinking about using them? So stick around because today we're breaking it all down. What peptides are, how they work, how they compare, and why they might actually be a safer alternative for some people. What are peptides? So first off, let's get right into it. At their core, peptides are short-chain amino acids. Your body naturally produces them, and they act like little messengers telling your body to repair, grow, recover, or regulate different functions. Now, in medicine, peptides have been used for years. Insulin is actually a peptide, but now we've got synthetic peptides that are designed to boost growth hormone release, speed up recovery, improve skin and joint health, even help with fat loss and muscle building. The key thing is peptides aren't just muscle drugs. They're signaling molecules with a wide range of uses in health performance and longevity. So how do peptides compare to steroids? Let's talk about that. It's really important. Steroids are synthetic hormones like testosterone that replace or flood your system with high levels of hormones. They work, no question, bigger muscles, more strength, faster recovery, but they also come with serious downsides: shutdown of natural production of hormones, risk of organ stress, cardiovascular strain, and long-term dependency on them. Now, peptides, on the other hand, don't replace your hormones. They signal your body to produce more of its own hormones or repair systems. So instead of forcing testosterone into your system, peptides like CJC 1295 or ipamorelin stimulate your pituitary gland to release more growth hormone naturally. This usually means fewer extreme side effects, less risk of complete hormone shutdown, and more of a gentle boost than a sledgehammer effect. Now, how do peptides compare to SARMs? A different topic here. SARMs, or selective androgen receptor modulators, were basically supposed to be the safer alternative to steroids. They target androgen receptors in the body, helping build muscle and strength without as much impact on other tissue. The problem is SARMs are still unregulated, poorly studied in humans, and they can still suppress testosterone, mess with your cholesterol, and stress the liver. Now, peptides, on the other hand, are closer to natural signaling molecules. Many of them already have medical uses or ongoing clinical trials. The safety profile is still something to watch, but compared to SARMs, peptides often have clear dosing, more legitimate medical backing, and a wider range of benefits beyond just simple growth and strength. Now, benefits of peptides: muscle growth and recovery without the harsh crash of steroids. That's a big factor. Fat loss support, better metabolism, and leaner body composition. Joint and skin health. Some peptides improve collagen and healing. A longevity potential. Peptides like thymosin, beta-4, and BPC-157 are studied for healing and regenerative properties. They have a lower side effect profile when used correctly under medical supervision. Peptides are often considered safer than long-term steroids or SARMs. Now, there's going to be some cons and risks for peptides. There's limited research. Not all peptides are fully studied, and some are still in clinical phases. Also, things like quality control. So black market peptides can be underdosed, contaminated, or entirely faked. Now, they're not magic. They're tools, not miracle cures. Without diet, training, and lifestyle, results will be minimal. Possible side effects: water retention, numbness or tingling, appetite changes, or hormone imbalances if misused. Now, the bottom line, Peptides can be powerful, but only when sourced safely and used responsibly. So why are peptides all the rage right now? Well, because they offer a middle ground, real benefits without the heavy risks of steroids or unnecessary or uncertainty of SARMs. They're not perfect, but in the right hands, they can be a powerful tool for health, performance, and longevity. And if you're thinking about exploring peptides or TRT, I recommend working with a trusted medical provider, not buying from sketchy websites. Now, that's why I've partnered with Royal Medical Center, one of the most reputable providers in the US for peptides and TRT services. You'll get medical oversight, real prescriptions, and ongoing support. I'll leave my affiliate link in the promo code in the description below. Use that to get started with Royal Medical Center. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe, share, and drop your peptide questions in the comments for me. All right, thanks again for watching another GetFitOver40.com video. Until next time, take care.